Yo, what's going on, everybody? Trent's Tech here, and today we are going to be unboxing the new Spigen iPhone 13 case for the iPhone 13. And if we go ahead and we look here, this is the Ultra Hybrid model. I'll bring that a little closer so y'all can see it. But yeah, Ultra Hybrid 2021 iPhone 6.1. I thought there was supposed to be more of a official name to it, but I think that's just what they went off of, because I got this before this phone even came out. So I went ahead, I bought this with my own money. Spigen didn't send this to me, so this is all of my own opinions, and I'm not sponsored or anything like that. Now that we got that out the way, pretty much you just got a little simple package here. And if we go ahead and open this up, you have a little tab up here, so you can just pull that. Everything should just come straight out. And so basically I got the clear case, and if we take this out, so right now I got the clear see-through case, and it's got these like rubber type black edges around the frame. We could take this off right here. So gotta pull on that just a little bit. But yeah, usually Spigen makes some pretty good cases. I don't know, is it Spigen or Spigen? I never know which one. So this is pretty much how the case looks, and feels pretty nice. Feels like I'm not going to drop it. I am a little bit worried about how well the back of this transparent layer is going to fade, but we'll just see how that works over time. So iPhone 13 in blue. Go ahead and put it in the case, and it will help if I could put this on correctly. So as we can see here, this is how the phone looks with the case on there. And to be honest, I wish this was blue, because I really like the metallic blue that you get on the phone. But so far everything's cool. The button placement is good, so it has a nice satisfying click to it. But that's probably because of the button inside the phone, but pretty much works dead on. Let's see if we had to shut this off. Yeah, that works. So that's completely fine. And if we look here at the cutouts line up. So here's our volume up. Here's our volume down. That works. We can easily reach the mute switch, as you guys can see there. Right now I got it off, and right now it's back on. So that's good to go. And I think so. Here's another thing that I find weird about cases, but sometimes it's with the phone. So it looks like all of the speaker holes are available, but then I know there's more little holes over there, but they only cover up, a couple of them. So if we take this bottom part off real quick, you can kind of see what's being covered up. So, oh no, I was wrong. So it looks like they got it matched up pretty well. So everything is on point. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those right there. And if we put this back on, let's see how many we get. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. So yeah, that actually works out. So that's pretty nice. So yeah, I got my lightning cable here, and we're gonna plug this in at the bottom to test this out. So plugs in, goes in fine. There's no issues with plugging this in. You got plenty of space around the case itself, and so that's good to go. I don't have a MagSafe charger anymore, but I'm pretty sure the wireless charging is going to work just fine on here. There's not a whole lot of room. All right, y'all, look, don't judge me. I got like this ghetto, MagSafe Duo charger. It's not a real one. It's the one I got off of Amazon. But all right, let's test out the wireless charging. So this is all plugged up. Just going to take the phone. I'm going to put it on here, and you got the wireless charger. So it works perfectly fine through the case. Put it back on there. You got the wireless charging. You get the symbol. So this case is good to go as far as the wireless charging. As far as drop protection, you do have a little bit of a lip going around the case here, so it should be fine. But at the same time, I recommend putting a screen protector on here along with the case. I have a screen protector on the way, so I'm definitely gonna, get one and put it on here, and I might try out a couple more just to see how it works. But this black and blue, I kind of like it. I already liked having the blue just by itself, but having this with the case is dope. So if Spigen ever watches this, please give us a blue one all the way around. I know that this one is the clear fit or whatnot, but I would like a really nice blue case from y'all. So that's pretty much it. And there's really nothing else to unbox or talk about. So let me know down in the comment section below. Are you guys going to pick up a case? Is it going to be a Spigen case? Is it going to be another case? Also, make sure you check the description box. I will have a link on Amazon directly to this product. So if you want to pick one up and order one, you can pick one up, or you can grab another case. And pretty much what the links do is, they give me a little bit of a kickback. It's 100% free. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but help a brother out. So, all right, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Otherwise, I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all take it easy. Peace.